Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super simple everyday makeup look featuring some items from the new Sephora collection. They have a new collection of beauty products. Everything is under $20, so that is such a good deal, and they are all clean beauty products. So they sent over a ton of lip glosses and just lip colors, and also a good amount of foundations as well. And so I'm going to show you guys how I match my foundation. And then they sent over an eyeshadow palette. So this has some pretty neutral colors in it. I like this palette. And then they also sent over makeup wipes. And then a lot of face masks and everything. But I'll probably do another video featuring skincare and put some of those products in there. So I'm starting with 4 foundations that are all for brown complexions, darker complexions. And so what I like to do is test the foundations on my chest area. Y'all, I got this trick from Jackie Ina a long time ago, and I have been doing that ever since. Every time I am shopping for foundations, that is how I test the color. The first shade that I have is shade 31. And so let's test this one out first. And so what I like to do is just put a small amount. So far I like 31. But like I said, we have 4, so I'm going to do 3 more. Okay, so here is 33. To me, 33 is looking a bit red undertone-ish. And then this is shade 35. So 31, 33, and 35. And then I know 37 is going to be dark, but just for the purpose of this video and just showing you guys how I like to test, I'm going to try this one as well. Yeah, 35 is super dark. That's definitely like a color that you would use to like contour. I am going to go ahead and go with shade 31. That definitely matches me the best out of these 4 colors. So to prime my skin before I apply the foundation to my face, I'm going to be using Beige Beauty Changemaker Skin Optimizing Primer. And y'all, it's really a small sample. I ran out of primer and I just had this one randomly in my makeup bag, so I have been using this one. I'm not sure what kind I'm going to go ahead and purchase next, but I do not like to use a whole lot of primer, y'all. I just put a little bit in the T-zone area. And I have already added moisture to my skin, so we are good there. So before I actually apply my foundation, I'm going to be applying some of the translucent medium deep powder from Laura Mercier. And I definitely like to do this to keep the oil and shine down as well. And y'all, this is another trick from our good sis Jackie. So I just go ahead and apply this all over, and you don't want to use a whole lot, just a good amount to take away most of the shine. And I used a damp beauty blender to put that on. Y'all, ignore my beauty blender. I'm gonna clean my makeup tools sometime this week. So going in with this shade 31 again from Sephora. And y'all, I like to apply my foundation with my fingers, and then from there I go in with my damp beauty blender again to go ahead and blend that out. Actually, let me spray a little bit of this MAC Fix spray. I'm going to apply a little bit of that before I like blend it all the way out. Y'all, and this foundation blends really well. It's super lightweight, and yeah, I just really like it a lot. Again, I love that this whole line is clean. because some makeup products, or a lot of them, do have a lot of toxins in them, so that really just aren't good for you. So the fact that Sephora has developed this clean beauty line for us is amazing. I'm going to be using some products that are not from the Sephora line, y'all. For my under eye concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and I'm going to use this to highlight under my eye. And then I also put a little up here and on my chin. And I'm also spraying the brush a little bit with the MAC Fix Plus before I go in and start blending. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I always use the Dipbrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I start off with the color Dark Brown, and then I like to go in next with the color Ebony towards the tail of my brows, which is a little bit darker than the dark brown. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I got my eyebrows micro bladed about a year ago. So that is starting to fade a little bit, but there is a good amount of the tattoo still on. So I always have a pretty good shape to start with and just to trace around. So after I put the first color on, I like to go ahead and blend that in, just brushing it all through the hairs. To clean up around my brows, I'm going in with the shade NW45. This is the MAC concealer. I'm going in with a really pretty small flat brush. I like to go in between them with a little bit of concealer and just kind of go through the brow like that and make it look like there is space between the hairs. And next, I'm going to go in with my contour stick. The one that I use is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color Earth. So I'm just going to place this here and then a little down here. And next, I'm going to place some of the Anastasia powder in the color Banana under my eyes. And this is the loose setting powder, Banana. And y'all, I'm just really pressing this powder into my skin. And next, I'm going to be going in with the Translucent Medium Deep Powder by Mercier. And this is the one that I used in the beginning to go ahead and lay down the matte foundation. I'm going to go ahead and add my Becca blush, y'all. This is in the color Snapdragon. And then I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty liner in Cause I'm Black is the name of this color. I believe it's the darkest color that the liner comes in. And then I'm going to be taking my Mcgrath mascara in the shade Extreme Black. I think Pat McGrath's mascara does a really good job, so we don't even need lashes for this look. My eyelashes look pretty good after using that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of highlight. Just a little, because again, I want this to be more like an everyday, nothing too fancy look. for the highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kits. And y'all, got this a while back. And I'm going to use this lip color in, or actually it's a lip oil in the shade Apricot or Apricot. Y'all, I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that. This looks like a really sheer color. Y'all, so I had to take my hair down and show you guys the finished look. So this is what it is looking like. I hope y'all enjoyed this look, you guys. Again, super simple, everyday makeup look that you can wear to work or just out. Yeah, so I really like this for the daytime or even for night if you just don't feel like doing too much to your face or whatever. So yeah, I will tag everything that I used. Again, majority of the products were from Sephora's new clean collection, so definitely check it out. Thank y'all so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.